I got to ask you about the meeting yesterday between Hunter Biden's attorneys and the DOJ. How unusual is it for the DOJ to meet with the target of an investigation? Because obviously, given the whistleblower story of the past few days, there is a real concern that Hunter Biden is getting special treatment.
Guy, that all depends on who requested the meeting.
Well, we believe it was at, I think it's been reported that it was at Hunter Biden's request or his attorney's request.
That's correct. Now, if it had been the Justice Department and they were asking for it, you might have been thinking that the Justice Department is going to show their cards a little bit and tell them, here's the evidence that we have against you. You might want to think about pleading guilty. In this particular situation, if you're a defense attorney and you're getting very, very nervous about what the government is doing and you have to approach them, the only message I think that shows is they are trying to stave off an indictment. Hunter Biden's legal team has some suspicion that he will be charged either with those tax filing misdemeanors or felony tax evasion or the false statement on the gun purchase. And they're very concerned about it, and they're trying to avoid that. That's most likely why this meeting took place.
Is it also maybe the first offer in a plea bargaining session?
Yes, and that could be the third way. Either the government approaches or the defense approaches, or maybe there's a mutual discussion. And although that hasn't come out, that could be it too, where they're talking terms. Maybe they're talking about a potential plea agreement. Maybe they're negotiating a sentence or a fine or other factors. All of that is completely on the table.
You got to wonder how much of a catalyst this whistleblower was.
Yes, they said that they requested the meeting prior to the whistleblower news coming out. But again, I don't always believe, except on the Guy Gordon show, I don't always believe everything I read in the media.
Well, or in coincidences either.
Correct.